chama Wontumi osose ne hwan. And not Justin Koduah, I was so disappointed in him say, ye chama Wontumi no, but granting interview na Kenya sasemwa. Oh, may some of these voices may have a platform of fam because it doesn't make sense to me. But you granting interview me here. You better trend this for say you are a lawyer for NPP mo. One kasakwa asamna na woka no odwene ho asa na woka. You claim someone lawyer for amunimade and mo lawyer for na ntimi antumu for anka nkyira mo say ye ma obi bail na bail no condition anasa bibi da ho a ye kware say ye be meet bail condition no yankotena fom ye nkoye dede Mudede na mukwaye ya ne form na mukotena ye no. Se na ntimi solve problem na ka mukotena form ye dede no. Can solve problem. And let me tell you something. No matter the noise that you people make, where you get to talk no voice, the law is the law. And it's simple. Mumu wa ba mu a emra nya adwuma mukotena position apa. And I was some mra adwuma and I afraid the rule of law. Afraid ya more rule of law. Here Ghana for adebia to the bia. Obi beka say adana ya to the bia asa with the NPP fatu me form to bia. But omone ya no irritates me. Omone ya no omusubai no is so irritating a share before. Because Akufo opposition any 1 year, even 6 months ago, but you see how they are behaving. You see the noise that they are making. As if Sakurani Daniel Butueni. And these people are hypocrites because and then time I want to make one NPP near Yachano. Why are they making noise? Last week I make a say and Kwafobe one NPP more Yachi or more Yamo mobile. Other NPP found quatena form. Other than Fanya Marken. Anyway, more Aman quatena form. Now we will show them that we have lawyers. Lawyers are not born. Before money lawyers, so they have talkatives. They have talkatives. Or money lawyers who take. Nana be na lawyer, another one lawyer no. And I'm who can say kwatro. You know say one year we subai we kasa. Niyama wo ye na ba me ya wo sampire lawyer ni na wo kosko na kope ye de wo kotena ba ho na wo suban na wo ne ye nkyere obi ya lawyer wo se me wo ye lawyer ade apia ku bi be kasa ye obi na chama Wontumi wo ye na hikura no na koma joy. That is nyansa, wisdom. This is a professional lawyer that is speaking. Mo nyansa ni bi awo NPP mu ni bi a obekasa bia na mo ni na nya problem. And no ni mako beg and no and the appear could be in Casabium and we are blocking and I'm say hey when you send it back over party muna all can of creno Obia Paso chess and the appear could be a some no cano chess all suppose you want to a person will meet you cry and the appear could be say Yachi will be near money panel bail conditioner. You make sure say you meet the bail condition, that's all. And you do. And anya abua mo betu na mutiyo mutiya papa mo COP this Christian tatayo no COP IGP mutiya pa mutiye na ye mra bi IGP ana minim na aka so hia ye be hwe agu mo so a any pepper spray ye de be gu mo so no munya kwa ya sa unlawful gathering no ho mo already baby anu akwa gada no unlawful gathering obi amfra mo ho munya ho etambo e de block kwan sa Ghana ni a o twama kwa ne baby no mo block kwan ade a checha ba Wontumi. Who is Chama Wontumi? Who is he? Obro hwan so Ghana ha. Wow, this is the reason why our politicians will continue to look down on you. Who bunisa ono de eni kwansa bibia ya no. Who politicians say eni se mrani ni di. Wunia ba man na so offer no tie kura na se hona ekom de na wakwacho obi board ye no ono de osefata se ye de ne komra anim anya na obi wi ade na se ye de nipa ne kokoto a mu kwaye de ho da bia ye di asam kokoto etisi ase ya pasa mra ye adwuma ene se mra na mo se anya adwuma ne ye fom abekwa akotena ene de da mo be ye ene demonstration da bia mo sori anopa mo kotena because every day cases cross. Eti mu koye de dem fan time one more ya from wo court nachi na mo catch am say in solidarity ye betena from mama mo. What nonsense is this? Mo ye de fit last week sa just me dwene ho amenti ase. And you see, Akufo and ntro NPP and lies. Just me won hawa, but omo ya yonkufo bi a omo didi bom, they are besties. NPP and lies, they are besties. So what here NPP ni na wa nya smart wa hu. Obe packaging tro na no kore aye pepe. One way you fall for it. Me won taxes na ache wo. Me won sa taxes no ache. Adan ye teachers bisu na no me bisa mo ankotena fom. Such as bisu so NPP ni. And the same galamsey issues I ya teacher ma Wontumi wo CID. Any other cases Agyarko any NIB for their friend no. And the same issue and ya be teachers bisu. Adan na no dia Justin Koduah ma ankotena fom. You see the hypocrite side of you people. Even your own party members, you discriminate. Your own party people, you discriminate against them. What kind of human beings are you? Say ye ediao anyare. Choboy. You think we have your time? Hey. Girl, no. Obiani krom hanoma. Yade asam to ne so say why as no obentia. Ya money bill. Say asem meda case kura no bailable. Depending on said the assembly. Get me more be a bill. Offense be a bailable. It doesn't mean say chama want to be Kwadafi near Jano. Emrano de Sachino. And now Empenium Phone Maya and Mrantia near Bri. And I would to me. They are not a young messer was uncle of one want to say. I just sounds on Marco Fiacodo. Oh, man, they're down no pa. I just no Siamano, no Bukofie. No to me. That should tell you, said the law is the law. If you know what is good for you, I would the and the appear could be Kanya, Sammy Chidam say, a fear person who come no, yan to 12 bronco, yan to 2 bro, and coffee now person who remono. Whoa, person wouldn't why Remonata Quacasa, would you not want and ra, Saquana, why are you need to do Sammy Diabino Quaka? Would you not threaten a Remonata? So wouldn't be out here to Bekuno. Yenye wo kroma me enra CID boss makacho say sa brantie no e wo se mranya adwuma omo say yama mranya adwuma ade na akoka ne ya no what Thréaten Agyapong as say ya de ne nkwa ne nsa ya tese Agyapong mo recruit ya akoka you are in trouble. I'm telling you das. Yet say that pay sorry Agyapong say me yo who will come after you, and I'm telling the CID boss arrest that guy, that thing, call someone, arrest him and let him answer for some nonsense. No question how you know. Say mranya adwuma emrabe adwuma. When you go to court now, say the judges na dey na asie for the mo catch say court no yan kɔ hɔ. Momo all Bibiana go to court. Bibia all go to court. Na say dia court dan yatum ama yokwa abonten so ne abie. Say dia mra no eye adwuma wo yokwa anim ho. Court dan yatum meboa. Mo demonstrate am ye hu say mo de yewu papa so man. Na mo we will deal with you squarely. Ya bema mrana ya juma pe. Sesi ya mutu opposition mo se mranya juma embra be ya juma. Don't worry, embra no ebe ya juma. Ebe ya juma pe. Makacho say na be be phone lines in them now to a year special prosecutor. Me chawo OSP ho because enra me tie OSP no special prosecutor wan sheda nka sem papa bi ankyere yen Ghana fo. De ani apase ye tie no wan ka ankyere yen yo. Bra Adwuma no em say bro so. And me I'm one person who is against that establishment of SAP OSU office na nkasa na esi ho no. Sa office na mu na esi ho no na yes OSU office no nyansa bia ni mu mame fa so bia ni so mame omo ya dai we are just wasting the state resources. We are just wasting money. And no one better certain at some point ben apasi ye Ghana for ye catch den yen tie. The okika kwesi ye tin krakra. Ne crack and say, COSP, I didn't see any sense of what he said yesterday. What is it? Won't be a sound in the movie. What's the
2025? Mr. Ofori-Atta's lawyers informed the special prosecutor has diagnosed Mr. Ofori-Atta with cancer and has earmarked 13 June 2025 for surgery, for which reason he would be unable to return to the jurisdiction as scheduled. His lawyer stated that to the knowledge of the OSP, this change in circumstances has been brought to the attention of the court, before which Mr. Ofori-Atta is presently pursuing a human rights claim against the OSP and the special prosecutor. His lawyer stated further that in order not to hold the office back in the performance of his function, they had Mr. Ofori-Atta's instructions of his readiness to go through video recorded interview for the purpose of eliciting his caution statement. His lawyers offered to meet the special prosecutor in person or approach the bench for the purpose of viewing Mr. Ofori-Atta's biopsy report, whichever suited the special prosecutor. Now, ladies and gentlemen of the media, this is where we are now. Now let us step back a bit from the 28th May 2025 letter from Mr. Ofori-Atta's lawyers and place the matters in their proper context. I have intentionally went through a tedious timeline. The letter from Mr. Ofori-Atta's lawyers, dated 18 February 2025, clearly indicated that the possible surgical intervention to be performed on him was to occur on 20 and 21 March 2025, upon which reckoning the OSP carefully considered the recovery period and indulgently pushed Mr. Ofori-Atta's attendance at the OSP to 2 June 2025. By a letter dated 28 May 2025, Mr. Ofori-Atta's lawyers informed the special prosecutor has diagnosed Mr. Ofori-Atta with cancer and has earmarked 13 June 2025 for surgery, for which reason he would be unable to return to the jurisdiction as scheduled. His lawyer stated that to the knowledge of the OSP, this change in circumstances has been brought to the attention of the court, before which Mr. Ofori-Atta is presently pursuing a human rights claim against the OSP and the special prosecutor. This is totally unacceptable and a baleful spite at law enforcement and criminal investigations. It ends here. It ends today. We will no longer accommodate him. Consequently, the OSP redeclares that Mr. Ofori-Atta is a wanted person and a fugitive from justice. His name is hereby re-entered on the OSP's list of wanted persons. The OSP will take all necessary legal steps to secure Mr. Ofori-Atta's return to the jurisdiction and to answer to the criminal inquiries against him. In pursuance of this, about
Ghana for winning Madia Bakwa and OSP, the press conference in Okaya, and Mammy who said a Chaskelena, Ken Ofori-Atta, any OSP now winning the lawyers or Modebo Ghana for. When him says all this one no claim Ken Ofori-Atta yareno. There's no medical reports. Yadiama or no OSP net chesampa Ken Ofori-Atta yaryo. It's ya no natural letter. He is sick near the abreno. No aje, no atna. You see, Ghana ya de niema bi diagro. She cases I yadiaba Ken Ofori-Atta nyina no me ni nyina me sure say e cases. But the most annoying part, the most annoying one, is our cathedral. No. If not for anything, on my biana and 1 year, Safotimi Cotinasi. Near Cassia Bessia Sorridine. Now, Sorridine, I yaba Bessiano. Adaya a siwa dada. I do a my sick Cassiano. Young Buntungu. Nanya Cafofro, effort to a minor so. Now, you see, the whole concept of Sa Cathedral does not make sense. Akufo Addo question the talk one baby say, Erado Mamidi president, I may see asare dayama, and any Ghana for a yenin wo chakabe. Me me kwahye me ba bi na Awurade me Awurade me sraw ye CTV me nya me pese me ye adwuma wo ho me pese me ye adwuma class media Awurade me pese me ye adwuma class media na nyame ayadom boss keke de say ya abra me pese me fu adwuma keke de fa me adwuma na me ba ya na ma fresh Smith na ma fresh Robert na ma fresh Ofani me she nyame boss me pese me ye adwuma wo CMG enti boss na me share no me share boss me oyema me a me ma no ebia 100 million mo first camera enya nkwasiasem Some ma bo me pa ya kire nyame no na nyame atie me no me ba no ma frafra adwuma ya fo mo CMG se mo maboa me na bo se na me hye nyame no mi kodi so enya kwasiasem o enya kwasem. You see, there are certain things I am perceive that cannot cry. I Ken Ofori-Atta me say me anu hu hia me de hia me wom na maka no sa national cathedral concept no eye dam na judges se danya ya de man sika sie na Kwabena Agyapong anim say yam budan no ntungu adanya any 3 years ya waste one man sika me tax ka ho and that's the reason why it's so painful ya me ka bia na me sasame di abufuo na eka Yade me tax akwasi dayama judge ni say judge ni nkwatere mu no akwa we ne na do no ba ya ene ne Bawumia no wa matimi awanyame nim say sa dan no ye buntungu adan ya Akufo Addo nyame bonti no ye pa ba bia si aso dan dabio wuni ba kwan na asase na da wan asase yantam no ba cho ye si aso dan we nye yemu meboa ye si aso dan wo chabia eye ya na say nye ye Yes, I saw the Oko Saglema area where Shakwano Social Hills. At the whole bagaya, me pacha only a sinner in Yembwa. The reason why I'm particular with this case, and I say, and near Moya was our cathedral site, Hono, just a Yakumaja. Yabu put down to a good, and then you see a quendi one year, your boo. Because Akufo Addo Abaya president was saying Yame Bontino. I mean, just Adam. Any now, yaka $1 million crowd win him the door. $1 million win him the door. Nayaka $58 million. Yada then I had two foundation. Near Timia Tina Cromha, no panyon toto, our Musu Amunim Yansa, Wokakayas who didn't penny for them. Now you are young crabas adiowe. Near say, Yakra a boy, and your free Israel, near Yabato her, now just say, oh God of mercy. And all has been telling us to say, all this one, only medical reporter confirm say, Ken Ofori-Atta say, what your letters, and your tron, your demand. That office is useless and it has to be scrapped. More promise Kisia Jabene, the office in our Pamwamo. Here, Attorney General, Sir Case way, Gyamfi can Aquanism. Kisia Jabeno, Gyamfi Nism. I was saying you are Koni and before Mubama, Mutisim, Nakis office no promise Muntum, Yasabi and him. Or if you know, I don't know Konongokaya. Me, I may swa, Meswa may trim whom will be Meswa, and what Taria Biano. And all these years, and the Yatsinawa Ken Ofori-Atta, your my gun and the 32 million, or the Ajini Diakro. Who is he? Or the Yenya Jini Diakro, who the $58 million out to Amena. Hi. And you see, that is not more bono. Says about him, and it's a surgery on June 13th. Yatiano Mabakacha said, surgery no ye no on recover or recover September or September never so no near catcher so yasa diagnosing before from Yanibaba was not 4 years as well. Attorney General Massa Mama and Kwasala no. And he and Kwasala and Ken Ofori-Atta and ye free no ye pay a sika. Me don't move the Kwafa Tumno, me and you hear me. I am going to go me and you are not a family. Their family one year. Sikano, the money involved. Yeah, Sika. Nippon, the Sika, Braya, more Pamunia, and family. Some to be quite damn well. Madame, I'm your film. Near side them tax. I'll tell you, I'm command or prison or a nonsense to cram up. Offer a Sika by Asasina a wa say no onko reclaim simple ha sky today no ya some do obi ba to me eno emfa me ho $2 million na say dey akwa feasibility study you say na today na from cry ye hu ano na today na wiem ye hia $2 million asem bia ne ba bia me kwa me tietie mu kra no sa $2 million no kwa me say Ken Ofori-Atta ho chaso no de sika bia ba kwa yi bia kra no finance minister kwase sika bia obi abedi wo kwama bia o na esan ye chani na $1 million kwa uni ma de betimi ayo kroma ya na Ghana ha ya bra ya ko IMF ya de conditions ato ya so Sammy ya fa ni pa adwuma nyina de na ye $3 billion so adoni sikai ama ya kwasa IMF ne IMF de conditions ato ya so yentimi fa ni pa adwuma. Then you come and tell us, say, all this one in Ken Ofori-Atta about medical report. So what were you, who OSP name with Kisia Jabena no see one? I didn't know you so and all this one out to watch Ken Ofori-Atta. Now wouldn't saw Babana. And to have been what Jenny Diago, wouldn't saw the one Jenny Diago. Wouldn't that office is useless. Now the Kwaku Annan said that creates to deceive us. Dear me, man, Jina na dwendi. I was our OSP office no ho. I announce principles na ene adane evo ediamo mwankasa no. Na na do Jina simpio so catch the young Ghana for say or the announce principle and the betu corruption say. We actually ya say announce principle ya command di for court. Ya command di kama a judge for no more no emma announce principle no e di fufu kra acha so amba so mo chese ade na say ye na Akufo Addo di ya campaign emma ye Ghana for 2 years no afede na do say principle no won pe na won pe upe OSP enti ayade bia yen creative fund deceive Ghana for say aya ne se yakokota hye ne de ada na all this one sisi ya senya se Ghana for ko bisa ya yokofo akofa sisi ada package ne baka bisa OSP say sisi ada package no sorosoro ho na osososo ho na wa ayete se akokwa wodi abrama akokwa wa soso ho no na nka be kwa kosi ada na yedi ye ho wu se oman ko baby ko hwe chip compound kro mu ni bi na mo amko boss ankwase achenku no wo yoko ho no ko baby a ye de contract mba wontumi so ankoye kwan no senka wote hobi ana wonnim kro no hawo mo famu a wonko gina ho meka se na me wo boys wo boko go there ask kokro bi so ensu ombe no prayer problem na kwabra ne atena ha se me de $58 million me de 2 amena na OSP wotu wo be ka stories akere yen etine kura na say wouldn't so the interpol be kwa kofa Ken Ofori-Atta obebo ya mane e fa nya den de ya hwehwe ne se Ken Ofori-Atta okrom ha onfa ye sika ma yan me Ken Ofori-Atta mo jeli no kwa me anya no na ye me interest o me fa ho mo jeli na be ha me because ahwe ye sika bekam ye timi feeding wo prison onfa ye sika ma ye ni asem bia $2 million no mo nje ma yan Mustafa Amidi dia na aba no those characters involved, no, I'm not interested in them going to jail. I'm interested in say yabeji sika. Ni ade akoyo omani ye e simple. Fa front line Net2 TV no so. Ye ni adaje mo bia okrom ha. Ye ji sika. President Mahama, the main reason why we voted for you is ade no. Ye pay sika. Would ye sika ma no wanya ye cry ye no ya. Na say dia wanya ye wonya ye dem biem. Dia wanya ye. Wonya ye dem biem. Enefu wa pa 11 city. Kwasa oye kwawe aya de Almighty God crab at 1252. Eti John Mahama, dia wanya ye pa wonya ye dem biem. Hwe dia wanya cedi ne dollar. Pounds ni euro. Dem biem na ye hwehwa firi ho. Dia ye hwehwa firi ho ane say ye sika nkrofo awia no. Je ya de mba ye asama sa.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.